We heard the bang, 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 and then a real loud bang, and then smoke come through this hole. There was kids running around out there with hoodies and masks on, and another kid was coming up the alley here, and they were shooting at each other, and a bullet came through right here by my window. If I would have been sitting here, which I do when I work on my computer, it might have hit me. I might not be here.
It happened an hour earlier, I probably would have been shot in the back because I was cooking at that time. This is the first time we've ever had this kind of a problem in this area. We've never had it before.
Out to a doctor's appointment, came back and noticed that there's a bullet hole in my trunk. Just to come back and have this happen right off the bat and to my property, it's kind of disheartening.